Good morning, welcome to day 8 of the K Show here in Dusseldorf. Today we're talking about our cleaning station featuring our manual self-cleaning HFS drawer as well as our Quicktron 03 separator. Nice features about this is the in-feed hopper. Allows you to install your own vacuum loader on that. Comes through the metal detector or the magnet to remove all the ferrous iron, and then the metal detector to remove non-ferrous and stainless steel as well as ferrous, and then comes down into a takeoff hopper. So that allows you then to pull the material back up into your process that way. One of the features with this is our no-spill slide gate to shut off the flow. We can also then, using the self-cleaning drawer, be able to pull the drawer out to clean it completely off very quickly, very easily, and then goes back into place and you're ready to run again. Catch tray then will catch any tramp material that's been discharged, so it's easy to process it that way. We also feature items like a test bowl insert port that easily allows you to test the metal detector, where you can drop a test piece down in it and have it rejected each and every time. Come by and see us today at Hall 10, booth B01.